Hello, digital entrepreneurs. Are you ready to dive into the world of secure transactions? Welcome to today's video topic: Secure your transactions, high-risk credit card processing strategies. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating realm of high-risk credit card processing. Whether you're in e-commerce, credit repair, or dealing with CBD products. But before we get into that, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment down below to let us know your thoughts. 1. Payment processing for high-risk industries. Navigating payment processing in high-risk industries can be like treading a challenging path. Industries such as e-commerce, credit repair, and CBD products often face unique challenges that demand specialized solutions. 2. Choosing the right merchant account. High-risk merchant accounts are your foundation for secure transactions. These accounts are designed to cater to businesses that traditional institutions might consider risky. 3. Leveraging high-risk payment gateways. A high-risk payment gateway acts as your fortress against cyber threats. It encrypts and securely transmits sensitive credit card information between your online store and the payment processor. 4. High-risk credit card processing for CBD businesses. CBD businesses face legal and regulatory hurdles, despite their potential health benefits. To navigate this landscape, specialized CBD merchant accounts and payment processing solutions are crucial. 5. Navigating credit repair business transactions. Credit repair companies play a significant role in helping individuals improve their credit scores. However, disputes and chargebacks make these businesses high risk. To instill trust and security, credit repair merchants need payment processing services that understand their industry intricacies. 6. Ensuring compliance and security. Security and compliance are non-negotiable, regardless of your industry. High-risk businesses should partner with providers prioritizing data security, encryption protocols, and adherence to industry regulations like PCI DSS. As we conclude, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. For payment solutions and more, visit TouchSuite's website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.